Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be unboxing the Globox for the month of February 2018. The Globox is priced at rupees 999 and you can get products up to rupees 5,500 rupees depending on the choices that you make. The theme of this month again is build your own box. So there are beautiful, amazing products in the choice basket. So friends, have a look at them. I'm sure you're going to love them. You need to pick up 5 products, one each from their selection, and create your own glow box. And I think it's a hit. This is the third time I'm ordering from the build your own box, and each time I have super loved it. So without wasting any time, let's go in and see the products. So this is how the box has come in to me. So this time they have changed their packaging and they have made it a plain black box with a white logo on it. Somehow I think their earlier boxes were much prettier. They had a pink, white and black theme on it, but those boxes looked nice. This appears to be a little plain. Yes, it looks classy but a little plain, but this is a very sturdy box with a magnetic lock here, and it's quite a big box. So let's get in. So this is how the products are inside. Let us open them and see what all I have chosen. So I can see some cards, some info cards here. It says, hey gorgeous, thank you for shopping with us. Hope you had a fabulous shopping experience and enjoy your beauty treats. We cherish helping you find the best in beauty. Team Globox. Then I can see another voucher, a 30% off voucher from Last Inch In. It's a ultimate plus size fashion destination for women. Okay, sounds interesting. Then we have a card which asks you to share, and there is a refer and earn scheme also, where if you tell your friends about it, you get a 10% discount on your next box. So these are the 5 products that I have chosen. Let's see them now. So the first product that I have ordered is a Mattre oil-free makeup remover. It is antioxidant rich. It deep cleanses, moisturizes. So it is a 100 ml product. And this is one brand which I have not used yet, but I wanted to try this out simply because it is a natural brand, it is a cruelty-free brand, and it has got quite some interesting contents in it. So I was in need of getting another makeup remover, and hence I ordered this. This seems quite nice, and let me open it for you. I like it when they have this sort of a pump. It makes application very easier, and also the product is pumped out in a controlled way, so you do not lose on product nor do you spill it. The fragrance is just like wild roses, and I quite like this product. So this is the first product and I liked it. It is worth rupees 325. The next product again is from the same brand. It is the Mattress Skin Gourmet Soft Hands. So it has milk, saffron and honey in it. It is a 100 ml product and this is priced at rupees 385. So I use quite a lot of hand cream since my hands tend to be very dry, and after every wash or I need to apply something on my hand, and even if I don't wash my hand, I think every few hours I do apply a hand cream or a moisturizer on my hands. So I quite like this too, and looks like a good product. The next thing that I ordered, and this is something that I really wanted, is a Freedom eyeshadow palette. And just look at the colors. It is so beautiful. All the colors are just perfect and will go well with my olive skin tone, and it is actually a complete palette which gives you a range of shades right from the nudes to some bright looks, and I think you can create quite a lot of eye looks in this. And this Freedom Pro 12 Dreamcatcher eye palette is priced at rupees 1200. So this appears very interesting. So this is how the palette looks. It has got 12 shades, right from a light shade, this can be used even as a highlighter, to a dark grayish black shade which can be used for your smoky eye look. It also has an applicator which can be used. So this is quite a nice palette. Let me swatch one of the colors for you. Let's try a pink color. So here it is very pigmented. It is a shimmer, and this is how it looks. There is no fall off and the shade is very nice. It will build up gradually. I quite like this palette and I'm happy to have ordered this palette. So this was the next product. The next product that I ordered is again from the same brand, Freedom, and this is a Pro Eye Primer. This is priced at rupees 600. So I have quite oily eyelids, and also none of my eye makeup lasts, and it is always good when you, especially when you want to apply eye makeup and you want it to last longer, and and if you're using eyeshadows which don't last for quite some time, so then it's appropriate to use an eye primer. So you apply this before you do your makeup, and this will not only increase the staying power of your eye makeup, it will also create a nice background to use your eye makeup, and your application becomes very smooth over this. So this is how it looks. As you can see, it is completely sealed, and I am very happy and eager to try this primer too. And the last product that I have ordered is again a eyeshadow from the brand Moa. It is in the shade 23, and I will be gifting this to one of my friends. So this is a beautiful shade, and this is priced at rupees 615. So these were all the products that I received in my Globox. I quite liked my Globox, and the selection is very nice, and you will keep on getting new selection, new products to choose from every few days. So guys, if you did like this Globox, please go ahead and order yours. I will be leaving a link below. So happy shopping to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Do share some love. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.